How's it going, y'all? Yeah, what's up? This is Dose, you know what I'm saying? I got some new stuff. It's called What is the Definition of Love? You know what I'm saying? And so here it is. And the beats by Headshots Production. Check them out. Pretty sick beats. Let's get it. What is the definition of love?
You're now rocking to a Headshots Production.
I have a hard time trusting my heart, cause the last girl drifted me apart. That's why whenever a girl comes close, I just step out the door. Cause I don't want this anymore. Not today, not tonight, not tomorrow. And I know I'm scooping low, but right now flashbacks have me in sorrow. What is the definition of love? What is the definition of love? What is the definition of love? When I first met you, there was a spark, but my mind warned me, so like a dog I barked, trying to scare you away, so I may not see you ever again. I know it's very hard to say, but I don't know the definition of love. I know I may act exaggerated, but my heart is isolated from my body. What is the definition of love? What is the definition of love? What is the definition of love? See, I always thought when the right person came along, I would be strong. But I guess I was wrong, because I only care about the sex and nothing else, not even marriage. It is not my fault, this is a loose ball. I stumble like the walls, I don't know what I got. I guess I'm just scared of love. And the clouds up above, how they hover around us. It's unbelievable, and yes, I'm available, but I just don't know. What is the definition of love? What is the definition of love? What is the definition of love? Ooh, I don't know what is the definition of love.
You're now rocking to a Headshots Production.
Hope y'all liked it. Show some love to the like buttons. Subscribe. You know, leave me some comments there, right there. And then, I just want to thank y'all for everything. Thanks. Have a good one.